During the darkest days of Africa's Congo wars, in the heart of the 20th century, a chilling reality emerged: the exploitation of children as soldiers. The context was complex, a tangled web of political instability, ethnic tensions, and the relentless pursuit of power and resources. The Congo, a vast and resource-rich land, became the battleground for numerous factions, each vying for control. In the midst of this chaos, children were the unintended victims. Recruited, often by force, these child soldiers were transformed into weapons, their innocence shattered, their childhood stolen. The crisis was not just a political one, but a humanitarian tragedy. These young lives, robbed of their future, were forced to carry the burden of war on their shoulder blades. They were taught to kill, to endure, and to survive at any cost. The actions of these child soldiers varied, depending on their role in the conflict. Some were forced to fight on the front lines, their tiny bodies wielding weapons far too large for their hands. Others were used as spies, sent deep into enemy territory to gather intelligence. The consequences were devastating. The physical and psychological scars left on these children were indelible. Many were left with lifelong disabilities, while others struggled with mental health issues, plagued by nightmares and flashbacks. However, amidst the darkness, there were glimmers of hope. Organizations like Save the Children, UNICEF, and War Child stepped forward, providing aid, education, and rehabilitation to these child soldiers. These efforts, while significant, were not enough. The problem of child soldiers remains a persistent one, with thousands of children still being recruited into armed conflicts around the world. The story of child soldiers is a stark reminder of the horrors of war and the indomitable human spirit. It serves as a call to action, urging us to remember, to educate, and to work towards a world where children are safe from the ravages of war. The legacy of child soldiers is a dark chapter in human history, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and a call to action for a better future. May we never forget their plight, and may we strive to ensure that no child ever has to bear the burden of war again.